So here is our compact cutlery organizer. And we've got our small spoons and our small forks. Then we've got that followed up by our knives. And then we have hiding in here are the large forks and then the large spoons. It holds everything really well. And the size-wise, you're looking at 15.5 by 4.5. It's only 2.5 on the tray, but we're going to say 3 inches because, of course, the spoons, everything does kind of pop out a bit here, and that's okay. You are going to have to get used to the fact that you're not going to see your forks underneath there, but there is pictures to get you going. So this way, over time, you can remember. The nice part is how well it tucks into the drawer. So I want to take a look-see at how this looks in the drawer. So this is our original Rubbermaid tray set that held everything in it. But the problem was is that, of course, we had it on top, which a lot of people do. And either you're having a hard time getting to everything in the back here, or if you decide to have it down here, you have a hard time getting to what's behind it. So you're constantly struggling with that overall. And the reality is it ends up with a whole bunch of other stuff in the drawer as well. So let's put in the new set in here and see how much room we're going to save. Now this only held our actual cutlery. The knives were kept in another drawer. Let's say we can't get both the actual cutlery set and the knife set in the same drawer. And take note that this being the top drawer, it's the shallow 4-inch drawer. So here we are with the actual cutlery in. That's how much room that's going to take. I can slide it up or I can slide it down. That'll be my choice. We'll see how that goes over time. Compared to this entire tray, that's what we had in here before to organize our cutlery. So we're going to be taking this out and we're going to be putting this in. So now let's put the actual knife organizer in here as well and see how that looks. So and here's the actual knife organizer, and these are really, when they say compact, they're not joking. That's what's going on here. So there you go. Maybe that's going to be the setup where we keep them separated like that. Nice part is, you know, in the reality of things, it's going to turn into all the little things that have no home or are going to end up in the middle of this tray here. That's for sure. So let's close this and see what happens. There we go. We've got no problems. So for the first time, we've been able to have our knives and our cutlery in the actual same drawer. This is very impressive. And this, you know what, it's the same amount of room that we had left over when we had this in here. I mean, you know, to put little things. But at least now we'll be able to see everything that's in the drawer. So that works out really, really well. Well, I hope this video helped you out today. Maybe we'll see you in the next one. I'd like to say thanks for watching. Bye for now.